Hi, this is the Android PR gal reporting live from Barcelona, Spain at the World Mobile Congress 2010. I'm here to blog on What's Up Android, and here with me is Josh Rochlin from New York City, CEO of Xtify. And Xtify is an exciting startup that we really want to present to the world. And who do I have with me to talk about Xtify is Josh himself.
Hello.
Take it away, Josh.
Thanks so much. So we're really excited to be here. I think we have a kind of solution that Android developers have been looking for. Essentially, what we're doing is allowing an Android application publisher to have a direct relationship with their mobile user. So let me give you a very specific use case. When somebody downloads a city guide type of app, it's only going to be useful to the publisher or the developer when that app is opened and actually used by the consumer. If I land in Chicago and don't open the app, all that work on the app has been useless for me. If I arrive in New York City and I'm walking in the Village and nobody can tell me about that exciting new restaurant that was just reviewed, it's not going to be of much use to me. What Xtify has come to do is allow the developer to think outside the app. Let me tell you what I mean by that. What you're able to do now is address your mobile consumer even while the app is closed. So what I'd love to do is show you guys exactly what it is we're doing. So I have my Nexus 1, which Google was just nice enough to give us today here in Barcelona. And as you'll see, I have on it a demo app that we've created for Best Buy. Not yet a customer, so just a demo app. But embedded in this demo is the Xtify SDK. What that allows to have happen is even when the app is closed, there's a system service running in the background, a managed service that is on a perpetual basis, allowing presence to be known in a cloud. And it's the ability to create rules in that cloud that lets you, the developer, have a one-on-one relationship with your mobile audience, even when the app is closed. So let's go to the platform and let me show you what we're doing. So you can simply go to our website at xtify.com. All of the documentation is here for you to get started. You don't have to have any relationship with us. Once you have the SDK embedded in your app, you're going to get this feature-rich console. In this console, you're going to be able to put in locations, events, and notifications. So let me just show you quickly the way we see that. There's a world where there are points of interest, in this case again just as a demo showing you the Best Buy, radii around those points of interest, and maybe even more extensive radii if there's a less densely populated area. In addition to having that, you want the time of your event. So maybe it's when are these stores open? When is this event taking place? And then you have the information or the offer. What is it that you want to alert your mobile audience about? So let's get off the PowerPoint and see, hey, does this thing really work? So, as I said, you can put in locations. So what I'm taking you now to is a list of your locations. What you might do here is either through a batch API upload, put in an address. We will reverse geocode it on the system for you, so you get the latitude and longitude of all of your locations. So now I have locations in the cloud. The next thing I want is the event. What times are important to me? So if I'm a city directory guide, I might want only the times that the restaurant is open. If I'm doing something else that doesn't need a specific time, I can just set it at 24 hours. But as you'll see, we've done the heavy lifting. This is software as a service in the cloud. You can also always associate as many events with locations as you want, so that you don't have to repeat any of this work. Finally, where it all comes together is in notifications. What you want to do here is build your rule. So the rule has a number of elements to it. You'll have the radius around a point of interest. So here it's miles, but for Europeans amongst us, it could be meters. Priority. You might have more than one location involved here. I'm sorry, more than one notification involved here. One for 30% off, one for 50% off. Hey, let me send my priority one location before the other one. A priority one notification before the other one. And then how many deliveries? Maybe I only have 20 seats left in a particular area. I don't want to be sending out 50,000 messages. And again, you can associate notifications with particular areas. But very specifically, the business that we see ourselves in is really in list management. So let me stop here and emphasize a number of things.